A IT company in India says they're 75% of the workforce to work from home because they are making 25% more productivity. Welcome to Stock Market Institute Market Wrap Up. This is Kishore here. The markets had a dull day today, as predicted yesterday, because of market reaching records high. People started selling it, and that was seen in the markets today. Sensex went down by 162 points, and the same closed at 55,629. Nifty went down by 45 points, and the same closed at 16,568. Banks and the metals were the ones which dragged the market down. Dunzo, which is now entered into online grocery race, launches 19-minute delivery thing in Bangalore, wherein they are now competing with Swiggy's Instamart as well as Zomato-backed Grofers and Big Basket, which got recently acquired. The major stake was acquired by Tata. Is also planning to get into this space. Sources say that this particular sector will see 10 to 15 fold growth in future days. So that's again a very good place to keep the business on. At the same time, as I told you, TCS is the IT company of India which claims 25% better productivity with work from home as an option. So they say that 75% of their staff won't come to office henceforth. That's a very good move wherein they'll save a lot of money on real estate, employee benefits, power, labor cost, and many other things. So that's a very good thing. Apart from this, the other news which is there in the markets today, after 8 long months, Hdfc Bank gets approval or gets go ahead from RBI to issue new cards. Since last 8 months, they have not been allowed to issue any new credit cards. So this particular thing is a welcome move for the HDFC Bank. At the same time, HDFC Bank is the biggest issuer of the cards, and they have 14.8 million credit cards and 37.7 million debit cards. With this company can issue more cards going forward. At the same time, there's 2.0, which government plans to launch for credit cards. There will be new rules and other things, because of which they will not be allowed to launch any new products as such right now. Apart from this, small case, which is a Bangalore-based startup, raises $40 million in their Series C funding. With this, Amazon enters wealth management business as such in India with their investment. At the same time, Premji Invest also is investing in this particular company. They haven't told their actual valuation, but near sources predict it to be somewhere between 250 to $300 million. In December last year, they had raised $52 million from HDFC Bank. So they have been raising money almost every 6 months once, and probably they should be entering the Unicorn Club shortly. Apart from this, MedPlace, which is again a medical store in your neighborhood, plans to come out with IPO, which could be worth almost 1,639 crores, wherein the fresh issue would be of almost 600 crores, and the promoters as well as the existing shareholders would offload 1,038.71 crores. That's again one of the good things. They will be using this money as working capital, is what they say. Top gainer for the day is Eicher Motors, which went up by 2.94%, and the same closed at 2,589 rupees 65 paise. Last week we saw a lot of downfall happening in this particular counter, and I had told people to buy it. If you have bought it, it's actually a very good place. Top loser for the day is Hindalco, which went down by 2.21%, and the same closed at 426 rupees 95 paise. Gold has come down by 17 rupees, and the same is right now trading at 47,263. Silver has gone up by 19 rupees, and the same is right now trading at 63,245 rupees. USD has gone down by 15 paise, and the same is right now trading at 74 rupees 43 paise. Euro has gone down by 38 paise, and the same is right now trading at 87 rupees 57 paise. Diesel, after almost 31 days, has gone down by 21 paise, but petrol remains constant. However, the crude price in international markets seems to be on a volatile side, but in India it has gone up by 21 rupees for every one contract, and the same is right now trading at 4,977 rupees. Tomorrow there is holiday because of Moram, and technical charts, however, shows us weakness in the market, and yes, profit booking may continue. So let's see what the global cues have to say, based upon which we will get to know what will be the direction of the markets on Monday morning. At the same time, I would recommend you to like and subscribe the channel and share the videos amongst your friends so more people can get to learn, and yes, they can earn. At the same time, get yourself vaccinated and take care of your loved ones.